Cooking for a group can be overwhelming, especially if you're camping. But if you prep the right way, it doesn't have to be complicated and you might even have some fun. Hey, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and here are some tips on how to spend more time in the great outdoors and less time in the kitchen. First thing you need to do is figure out how many people are going on the trip, plus how many days you're going to be camping and where. That goes for any trip, but especially when you're planning meals for hours away from civilization. Think about your fellow campers. Do they have any allergies, preferences, and kind of go from there. But also make sure to pack plenty of water and ice. A lot of campsites are different, but many come with a fire pit, a picnic table, or a water spigot. Once you know how many people you're cooking for and how long you're going to be staying and what each campsite has available to you, it's time to start meal prepping. Try to pack ingredients that are going to be good for multiple meals throughout the day and accommodate as many guests as you bring. So like, for example, toast is great in the morning, but you can also make French toast or you can make a sandwich at lunch. So less space of ingredients and more food items because of it. A gas stove is going to be your best friend when camping. The Coleman Triton series is one that we really recommend. You can be cooking on there, but also be cooking on the fire if you need to. And of course, you're going to need coffee when camping. We recommend the French press from Stanley or the mocha pot. Fun fact, the mocha pot is actually the original way that coffee was brewed at home. And of course, you can boil water in both of those items and use it for tea as well. So basically, as long as you have access to hot water, any breakfast drinking water is pretty easily available. And for our meat eaters out there, the grease from the bacon is going to be the best thing to fry your potatoes and eggs in. When packing your kitchen items, a cast iron is really helpful. Lodge actually has a few options that are all different sizes, and Le Creuset is a really nice one too if you want to be fancy. Some other kitchen essentials you're going to want to make sure you pack is some tongs, a spatula, and a waterproof oven mitt. So now that you have your menu planned, it's time to start packing all the other items that you're going to need. Like a tent, we recommend one that pops up, a camping chair like this that has a built-in cooler, a tarp, a gas stove, or an Intex air mattress. For air mattresses, we recommend the Intex Comfort Plush Airbed or the Intex DuraBeam Standard Pillow Rest Classic Air Mattress. Not all tents are light-proof, so it's awesome if you can pack a face mask, your own pillow, and also something to make your air mattress situation a little more comfortable. A lot of air mattresses have pillows built in, so make sure you check out which one yours is before you pack your pillow. Make sure to check your local laws to see if there's any fire restrictions in place. If not, make sure you pack some coals, which are really great, and some firewood. A lighter and lighter fluid is also really helpful when starting your fire. Don't forget your bug spray, and there's also face nets that you can get that cover your face and keep the bugs out of your eyes. Once again, I'm Zach from Best Reviews. We hope you were able to make your camping breakfast a little bit easier, and if you like this type of content, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and if any of the products in the video caught your eye, we have them linked below.